Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today you will see how to use Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. Here the Premiere Pro is just starting in my system. Here you can see it's open and the format is look like this. The file is opened and I will open the old project, untitled one, and the format of the Premiere Pro be like this. If you want to import any media from your system like video, audio, then you can do it by just double click on the import media. Here you can see the files. If you want to add any other file, you can go to desktop or this PC, or if you want to go in specific folder, you can do it easily. Here I just add these two files into my system and open it. Now you can see the files are here. If I want to see these files, I double click on it. Here you can see the file is opened. If I want a specific part from my video, then I click I and towards the specific part. I need the part from this to this, so I will press O. Here you can check, I just selected this part of the video and I only want the video part, not the audio part, so I will drag it into the timeline. Here you can see only the video is added into my timeline, no audio is selected and added into my timeline. So if I want audio part, then I will press I from here to here for my specificity. To here I just now I will drag the audio part into my timeline. Here you can see the audio is as well added into my timeline. Now if I want to do some cuts in my video to remove that part from the video, you can check, I press C or you can click on it to edit that part. I am just clicking and it's cut that part, and I will do it on specific sides. Now I will click on B. Now I can select these parts and delete it. Now I select this part, delete it, and this one also. I want the specific part to be add on this, so I will choose this and press I for in and O for out. Now I will select that part. Sorry for that, my file is like corrupt, so I will open it in this way. So here I go and choose that part. I use Alt to copy the specific part. Here if I want to add some graphics, you can see my right side, here are some graphics, and you can on the top of the Premiere Pro, here are some tools, essentials, vertical learning, assembly, editing, color effects, audio, graphics. If you want add graphics, just go to graphics and you can see on the right side here are some graphics. I will just click on it and drag into my timeline. Here you see graphics is already added. Now I can change it if you want to add some specific words into it, or if you want to edit audio, you can go into the audio section. If you want to add any effects in your video, you can do it by yourself just by clicking on it, or you can add effects from internet or by your provider, or you can, if you want to, if you are specific look you want in your video, you can do it by doing color correction of your video. Like I want this clip to be color corrected, I use it and I slide these into the right or left to improve my colors as I want. So I want nothing in it, so I will reset it, and you can go to the editing section. Basically here we work in our whole time. So here if you want to import your file, just Control M and you can see the file just appearing here. Wait a little bit. Okay, sorry for that, we will proceed from next video. So for now, thanks, bye bye.